Happy birthday! This gift for you. I hope you like it.
Thanks. Have a seat, please. Opening it now. I can't wait anymore. What's this?
It is massage gun. The quality and design is excellent. You can relax your muscle like that. You can massage your leg or back or anywhere you need to relax.
Whoa, it looks so beneficial. I love it. Maybe after I finish work, I will need it. Thank you so much, dear.
Congratulations, Lily! You have a baby. She is so adorable.
But I'm worried. I'm fatter than before after I got pregnant.
Don't worry. This is what I'm coming for today. Look, this is for you.
Whoa! What's this?
It's a massage gun. You can use it when you exercise. It can help confirm your muscle and recovering your body. I use it. You can try it.
Really? Amazing! It's suitable for me. So light. I can carry it to gym, traveling, or anywhere. You solved a big trouble for me.
I'm so happy you like it.
The RecoverFun Massage Gun is a very practical and thoughtful gift for friends, family, and colleges.